So we're working some serious mom vibes today, you guys. And I apologize, but I mean, my roots, yeah, they're way past due for being touched up right now. I mean, like, all I'm missing is, actually, hang on a second. Here we go. Are you ready? Here's some mom vibes for ya. Bam! All I need is my stroller and some Cheerios. I mean, whoo. Anyways, today we are gonna be digging in and talking about our September 2019 Boxycharm box. Now, if you guys notice, I did not say try on, I said talking about, because we got some things to talk about. If you guys ready, let's get on into this. All right, you guys, so before we get started into this Boxycharm box, I gotta show you something really fast, because I think I very well may have found the best fall nude lipstick ever, and it's $5.98, you guys. Are you ready for this? Oh, I mean, this is called Baddest Beige, and this is by Maybelline. And I mean, I feel like the name just says it all. It is what I have on my lips, and I mean, like, look at that. I mean, it's a beige, but it's just everything. It's so wearable and so just hydrating, and I love it. It's like amazing. And again, it's $5.98. All right, let's go ahead and dig on into this Boxycharm. So I'm gonna unbox it, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys about it. So we're gonna kind of do it how we normally do, but then we're gonna talk about it. All right, so when you open her up, she looks like this. And just for the record, if you guys are wanting to know, I got a variation 1. All right, and I think this is called Boxycharm All Access, and it's a Boxy Lux month. All right, let's get on into this. So this is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I think Just Ann said that she really enjoyed this. I will not be using this because you guys know I just switched up my skincare. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link the video right here for you. I am now doing an all clean skincare routine. All right, so I am gonna put this in a giveaway for you guys. And I'm sorry, like, the light is super bright. I don't even know if I can get it to focus. No, it's like a super white bottle with super bright writing. I'm sorry. All right, so this says it retails for $52. The next item we have in here is the Hank & Henry Slick With It, I almost said mascara, it's not a mascara, eyeliner. Slick With It eyeliner, and this is in Blickety Black. Now, I actually just received this in my Hank & Henry box, so I will be putting that one in a giveaway, but I will tell you guys, this is so amazing. I do have it on my eyes currently. It is, I mean, just beautiful, amazing. I mean, just actually probably one of the best eyeliners I think I've ever used. So whoever wins this in my giveaway, we'll talk about that here in a minute. You'll be happy though. It is just, and I didn't think that I was gonna like the little tip here on the end, but let me tell you guys, honestly, you could be sloppy as all get out when you're doing your eyeliner, and it just don't even matter. It's just like, woo, did I just do that? I just did that. And I was going fast. Like, it's like that. You know what I'm saying? So this is good stuff. I was really happy. I got the black one and the blue one. So we're going to put this one, like I said, in the giveaway. The next item we have here, oh yeah, and on this paper right here, it says this retails for $20, which is not true. We're going to talk about that in a minute. All right, the next item here is by Billion Dollar Brows, and this is the Micro Blade Effect brow pen. Now, I actually do own a $1 billion brow eye pencil or brow pencil. Don't ask me what is wrong with me today, you guys. Maybe the hat's like cutting off the circulation to my brain. I don't know. But the point is, I have a brow pencil from $1 billion Brows. It's okay. I'm not like a huge fan of it. It's all right. So I'm not gonna open this because I don't really like the microblade tips. It's not my jam. So I'm gonna put that in a giveaway. So all 3 of these items are now going in a giveaway. Amazing. The next item here is by Moda Brushes, and this is the Moda Pro 5-piece Deluxe Eye Kit right here. And as you can see, they're basically a bunch of eye brushes. And it looks like there's a shader, a crease brush, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and then a line, like lower lash line, chiseled edge kind of brush right there. So, and then this says that it retails for, let's see, $27.95. And by the way, the $1 billion brow says that it retails for $18. Again, we're gonna talk about that. All right, the next or last item is this right here, which is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna open her up for you. I'm gonna leave the little plastic thing on, but it is a very, very pretty palette. The reason I am not opening this up though, I actually have a lot of Violet Voss palettes, and a lot of the colors that is in this palette right here, I actually have in this palette right here. See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? So I actually do have this palette on my eyes right now. It really is an amazing palette. And then I actually have another, I'm knocking stuff down again. I actually do have the other Violet Voss palette. I actually got a couple of them. So I have the Big Pro palette, and I've got the other one somewhere. So I have a lot of Violet Voss palettes because her palettes really are amazing. Her formula is amazing, all of that kind of thing. So I am going to put this in a giveaway as well. So pretty much this whole box is gonna be a giveaway for you guys, I think. I might throw something extra in there. We're gonna talk about that here in a minute. But I did wanna point out that you guys remember Boxycharm used to use the foam. They're not using the foam anymore, so they're using like this little like plastic bubble wrap kind of thing, obviously to cut costs, but I did just wanna throw that out there for you guys. All right, let's talk about this, these items and what's going on, you guys. Okay, so before I start in, I do want to say that I do love Boxycharm. A lot of people think that I hate Boxycharm. I don't hate Boxycharm. I love them. That is why I subscribe to them continuously every month after month after month, and I've been subscribed for a long time now. But just like you guys, when a YouTuber makes a mistake, you do what? You get on, you comment, you correct them. So, basically what I'm doing here is really no different. So if you guys did not know, Boxycharm recently changed their website. If you guys remember, all of us YouTubers used to say back in the day, Boxycharm, $21 a month, you get over $100 worth of value. But now it says this right here that you get $145 worth of value. Okay, this is important. The reason being is because if you add all of these items up right here, I'm sorry, I've got like a hair, I can feel it. Okay. So anyways, if you add all of these items up on my little card here, or if you got this variation, it comes to like $146 and some change. I'll put it right here for you, okay? So this is important because the first thing I want to point out is this right here, the Hank and Henry eyeliner. So this, it says, is $20. This is not actually $20. This actually retails for $17, and right here is where Hank and Henry launched it. He said it's $17, or you could buy both of them for $30. And then also, if you look on his actual website right here, again, they are retailing for $17. So if you subtract the $3 from this pin right here, okay, then that actually takes this box to $143 and some change instead of $146. You see what I'm saying? So I feel like there was a little price manipulation going on this card to make it look like you got your $145 worth value. And I mean, it just barely made it over 146, but it really didn't. The next thing I want to talk about is this Violet Voss Pro palette. So if you get on Violet Voss's website or on Sephora or anywhere that sells Violet Voss's palettes, these palettes right here, so these are called minis, and if you look at the weight on the back of them right here, they all say like 13 grams, right? And then if you look at all of her other mini palettes, they're all about like 12.9 to 13 grams, and they're all $18, not, what does this say it retails for? $29. So they're usually $18, and this palette I feel like was just kind of thrown together by Violet Voss for Boxycharm because it literally came out of nowhere, you guys. Like if you get on Violet Voss's Instagram, which again, I have a ton of her palettes, I follow her on Instagram, and if you get on her Instagram, like it just appeared and she was like, hey, check out my new palette, go buy it. And everybody's like, where is it? Where is it? I can't find it anywhere. And because it's nowhere to be found. And she's like, oh, it's under my news section on my website. And then the very next post was, oh, it's going to be in Boxycharm. So it literally just kind of was like, poof, there you are. You know what I'm saying? Like it appeared out of nowhere like magic. Now, again, Violet Voss's formulas are amazing, amazing, amazing. Just absolutely amazing, but the mini palettes are truly worth 18, not 29. So again, that brings the box's value down. Now the next thing I want to talk about is the $1 billion brows, the microblade effect. Now I tried to double check the price on this, but I couldn't. And the reason why is, again, I have a $1 billion brows brow pencil, and I got this at Kohl's for like $10 or $12. I'll put it up right here for you guys. So I got on $1 Billion Brows website and tried to find this brow pen, and this is what it says right here. So it's not available, no price. So I don't know if they just like took it down to take the price down, because like normally, again, these are not usually $18. Now I don't know if the microblade one is maybe a little more, but I don't know. That's all I'm gonna say. They're not normally $18, so it could be right though. It could be right. I don't know. Okay. And then the last thing that I want to talk about is the Moda Pro brushes. Now, let me say this. If you look on Moda's website, this does check out. Absolutely. It says these are $27.95. But I don't really go by Moda's website because Moda's website is really overpriced. Like if you look at Moda's website on these brushes right here, and then you can actually get them in Walmart for this price right here, which I actually went to Walmart because I have seen these brushes right here, and they actually come with a makeup case at my Walmart. Like I was just looking at them. I'm not even joking, you guys, like just looking at them. And if you look right here, they are at Walmart. I think the only difference is there's 4 brushes instead of 5, and you get like a makeup bag. So the point is they are at Walmart and they're $16.95. So they're currently out of stock right now. Like I went there to take a picture for you guys and they were sold out, because Moda brushes are actually really good brushes. They're just not $30 brushes. You know what I'm saying? And then the Dr. Brandt, I know a lot of people already pointed this out. I don't know, man. I actually tried to reach out to Dr. Brandt to ask about if this was like specifically made for Boxycharm. And to be honest, you guys, I really wish I had one of those little cylinder thingies so I could actually squirt this product in there, because the 1.7 ounce Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask usually comes in a jar. So I don't know if they put in this package for Boxycharm. Again, I don't know if this is a specifically made product for Boxycharm or if this is their old packaging or what. I tried to look up the little batch number right here, but I was not able to. So, because I can't find Dr. Brandt's batch numbers. Again, I tried to reach out to them, but no dice. I didn't get an answer on that. So that's all I've got for you guys there now that you got done listening to my little thing. So again, I just wanted to point out that this box truly is not $145 worth of value. I'm just saying. Okay, so let's talk about this giveaway because, you know, I'm gonna do a giveaway for you guys, like right now. So because I'm so nice and awesome and amazing, and you guys are so awesome and amazing, and I love you very, very much and really appreciate all your all's love and support towards me and my channel, I am going to give you this entire Boxycharm box. So the Dr. Brandt, the Moda brushes, the Violet Voss, this whole thing, the Dr. Brandt, I already said that, the $1 Billion Brows, this, and I'm gonna throw in some lashes from Amber Anderson. These are the Achy lashes, and I'm gonna throw in, wow! This is Jewel Thief by Hank and Henry. This is his new Luster Veil highlighter. I just unboxed these the other day, you guys. Ugh, they are so stinking amazing. All right, so here's the deal. I'm gonna run this for like, I don't know, let's say, you know what? We'll pull the winner in a couple weeks. We'll do it like the end of the month or something on the 30th. I will announce the winner. I think Sunday, the end of the month is September 30th. I will double check. I will put the information down below for you guys, or right here or somewhere. You guys will be able to find it, but I will announce the winner then. So all you have to do is be subscribed, of course, and just to let you guys know, I do check. So be subscribed, like this video. Again, I do check, all right? And then last but not least, I don't know, comment down below what product in this box that you are most excited to get. Is it the Luster Veil highlighter, the Dr. Brandt lashes? Are you a lash girl? Are you excited to try the Hank and Henry eyeliner? Or are you excited to get some Violet Voss because her formula is just amazing. All right, you guys, so that is all I've got for you guys today. I love you so very much, and until next time, see ya.